Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to do a review about Samsung Notes versus Flexil. So guys, this Flexil note taking app is now available in Android. So I open both apps in a split screen mode so we can have a closer look. So let's start and let me open a new page in both of the apps. So in the first part, we will discuss about the features that Samsung Notes have and Flexil don't. So first feature is handwriting to text tool. So you can see over here, and whatever I write here with my S Pen, okay, it will convert into the text automatically. I just have to enable that tool. But in Flexil there is no such option. For example, if I write here anything, it will not convert into the text form. There is no such option available in the Flexil. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is the shape tool. So the shape tool in Samsung Notes is unlimited, guys. So you can do a lot. For example, if I for example I want to create this star, it will convert it into this. And for example, if I want to change it, okay, I can change it. I can change the shape, okay, so you can see over here, and then I can change its position as well if I want to put it here. Then if I want to change the size, I can also do. And then you can see I can also change its pattern. So you can see over here I can change its pattern as well. So for example, I use this line, okay, and now if I want to change its position, I can change it like this. You can see over here. If I want to extend it, I can also extend it. So there is a lot you can do. You can also rotate it, and you can create mind maps with the shape tool in Samsung Notes. On the other hand, the Flexil also has this shape tool, okay, but it has very limited features. So for example, if I want to try some box, okay, and if I want to change it, there is no such option. Only I can write the text inside, but I cannot change the shape, I cannot change the size, I cannot rotate it. The next feature that Samsung Notes has, it gives you the ability to lock your notes. So for example, I go back, okay, I finish my work, and now I want to lock my note. I just have to select the notes, okay, but whichever note I want, and then here I can lock my notes, okay. So the note is locked, you can see over here. But in Flexil there is no such option available. Okay, so the next thing that Samsung Notes has, it gives you the ability of voice recording. So here is the option for voice recording. Okay, so you can see over here, so you can do the recording of your lectures, okay, and then you can also take your notes while you are taking your lecture, okay. And then in Flexil there is no such option available of voice recording, or there is no voice notes available. The other feature that Samsung Notes has, it gives you the ability of sync, okay. So you can go back and I will show you. If you go into the settings option, so you can see over here it has the feature of sync with Samsung Cloud. You can sync it to Microsoft OneNote as well. But in Flexil there is no such option. So in Flexil there is only option of backup your notes. So for example, if you go to settings, and then you can go here, and you can see this backup option. So you can only backup your notes, and you can only restore them. So guys, in Samsung Notes you can export your notes. So I will show you. Just select the share option, and then you have the ability to export your note as a Samsung Notes PDF file, Microsoft Word file, PowerPoint file, image file, or text file. But on the other hand, if we talk about Flexil, it gives you the ability to export your note only as a PDF. So for example, if I want to export it, so you can see over here, it gives me the ability of editable PDF or a non-editable PDF. So it has only two options available in the Flexil. And then we have in Samsung Notes, you can even search your handwriting. So for example, I have this page, okay, and then I have another page, okay, so I write here anything, okay, and then next page I write here apple, okay, and now I have 3 pages, okay, and now I want to search something because I use my handwriting. So if I want to search something, I select this option, and then there is a search option, and if I write here, for example, I write here apple, okay, okay, so you can see over here it is showing me the page with my handwriting on it, then it will bring you to the exact page. But on the other hand, if we talk about the flex sale, there is no such option available. And then if we talk about action icon, so there is action icon available in Samsung Notes. So for example, if you write a number over here, let's say I write this number, okay, and now if you want to call this number, you want to make a call, you can use this. You just have to go back, okay, one step, and then bring your pen closer to that number, okay, and then it will show you the option for calling as well. So you can see over here it gives you the ability, it will directly take you to the phone option, and then you can make a call. And same thing you can do with your email. You can write here any email, and then it gives you the option to send an email to that specific email ID. But on the other hand, in the Flexel there is no such option. So now I will take you to the second part, in which I will show you what features Flexel have and Samsung Notes don't have. So the first feature is undo and redo option by fingertips. So I will show you, for example, if you write here anything, for example, I write this, okay, and now you want to undo this. So you just have to use your 2 fingers and tap 2 times on the screen, and then it will start making undo. So you can see over here, so now it will remove the line, double press again, it remove the O, D, N, okay, and this is how you can do the undo. And if you want to do a redo, just use your 3 fingers and double tap on the screen. You can see over here, now it start to do the redo, okay. So this is a really cool feature that Samsung Notes don't have. So the next feature that Flexel have is it gives you the ability of tab on the top side. So you can see over here, so there are tabs on the top. So basically these tabs are for your recent work. For example, I have some work in the previous note, it will show you over here on the top. You can also close them if you want. If you don't want to use this feature, you can cut it. So this feature is not available in Samsung Notes. The other feature that this Flexel have is the multi-page view option. So I will show you what is the multi-page view option. For example, I create new page, okay, and I want to write something here. So I create different pages, then I go back and I create one more page, okay. So I open this page, I take some notes over here, okay, and then again I go back and create one more page, I open it and I do some thing in this page as well. So now I have 4 pages, okay. If you want to see these 4 pages in one window, so you can do it. So simply what you have to do, you have to go into your settings option from here, and then you see it's give you the option of multi-page view. So I select this multi-page view, and then I done. So you can see over here you have 4 pages in one window. So this is very useful if you're having a PDF file, because in PDF there are a lot of pages. So you can avail this option, and then you can also edit them, okay. So there is no problem, so you can edit all of the 4 pages at same time. So you can see over here, so this is very useful feature. Then if we talk about Flexel, there is an option, it's called file cover. So I select a new note, I will show you. So if I create a new note, okay, so there is a lot of file covers option. So you can see over here, very cool colors, and then there are different patterns. So you can see over here there are different file covers option available. Okay, so for example, I select this one or this one or this one, so you can select different file covers. But on the other hand, in Samsung Notes there is no such option of file covers. So if we talk about eraser tool, the eraser tool in Flexil has a lot of features. I will show you. So it gives you the ability if you want to erase the pen or if you want to erase the highlighter. So let me do something with highlighter. So for example, I highlight this one. Okay, and now if I want to erase okay, if I want to erase only the highlighter, it will only erase the highlighter. So I will disable this pen option and only use highlighter. Okay, so you can see over here it will only delete, it will only remove the highlighter. If I also want to remove the handwriting, so it will also do. I will just enable this option and then I can simply erase it. Okay. Then if we talk about the highlighter, in Flexil the highlighter is also give you many features. So first feature is the ink opacity. So you can see over here I select this color. So ink opacity, it gives you you can see over here 90%. It gives you from 0 to 90% ink opacity. So you can select whatever opacity you want. Okay, so for example, I want to use this one. So you can see the opacity over here, and then if I want to change the thickness, I can also change the thickness, and I can make it less. Okay, this ink opacity, and then you can see over here. So this is really a cool feature, but in Samsung Note there is no such feature exist. Guys, in Flexil, the next feature that I want to talk about is the text feature. So for example, I select this text option and then it will ask you where you want to write your text. So simply wherever I tap with my S Pen, it will start writing from there. So for example, you can see over here, now I can start writing. Okay, so this is really a cool feature, but in Samsung Notes there is no such feature exists. So whatever you write, it will always take you to this side of the page. Okay, but in the Flexil you can write anywhere. So you can see over here I can also write here. Okay, if I don't want to use this, then I can write here as well. So there is a lot you can do in Flexil. The other option is the image file. For example, if I select any image from the gallery, let's say I select this image. Okay, so now it will ask me again where I want to insert my image, on which location on my page I want to insert my image. So for example, I want to insert my image here, so it will insert the image over here, and then if you want to change it, the location, you can also change it. So this is really cool feature, and Samsung Notes don't have this feature. And the next thing is the selection tool, guys. So the selection tool is also cool. If I tap it and then I will show you. So it gives you 4 different features. So whichever selection you want, it will select only that. So for example, there is a pen option, then it has a highlight option, image option, a text box option. So for example, I disable all and I select only the image. Okay, so now I will select this image. Okay, so you can see over here it only select this image. It does not select the text behind or the highlighting behind. For example, if I go for the highlighter only, let's select the highlight, so then I use this one. Okay, and now you can see it only select the highlighter. Okay, so this is really cool feature, guys. In Samsung Notes there is no such feature exist. So guys, the next feature that I want to show you in Flexil is the gesture mode. So just select this tool, it's like a pen. Okay, and then it gives you the gesture mode option, so you can use your S Pen and you can do a lot. So for example, if I want to remove this, I don't want to use eraser or anything, I just put it like this, you can see over here, and then it will remove for me. For example, if I want to remove this highlighter, it will also remove it for me. So this is a lot, there's a lot you can do with this. The other feature that I want to discuss is you can change the position of your toolbar. So simply you just have to tap over here 2 times and then simply you can change the position. So you can see over here, and then you can change the position, and you can also put it in the vertical position. So you can see, you can tap over here and then it will change the position of your toolbar. It's a really cool feature. So, and the other feature that I want to discuss is you can also make a straight line with your highlighter. So for example, I select this highlighter, there is a straight line option, you can see over here, just enable it, and then you can simply use straight line. So you can see over here, okay, and then if you want to write something, you can also write, okay, and then straight line, and then for example I use this one as a straight line. So you can see over here, so in highlighter you can also use the straight line option. And the last feature that Flexil have is the pop-up document option. So you can see over here, just select this icon and a new file will open, a new page will open, and then you can also use this, okay, to make your notes. Okay, so this is a really cool feature that Samsung Notes don't have. So guys, this is for today's video. In my opinion, both apps are really great, and in Samsung Notes there are some features which Flexil don't have, and in Flexil some features that Samsung Notes don't have. So this is my opinion. So I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.